Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good chicken stock. First, gather your essential ingredients for a flavorful base. You'll need approximately 2 pounds of chicken bones or a leftover roasted chicken carcass for the deepest flavor. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 3 celery stalks, roughly chopped. A bay leaf, a few sprigs of fresh parsley, and about 10 whole black peppercorns will add a wonderful depth. Finally, ensure you have about 12 cups of cold water ready to cover everything. Once your ingredients are in the pot, bring them to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it reaches a boil, reduce the heat significantly to a very low simmer. You want just a few tiny bubbles breaking the surface. This slow, gentle cooking extracts maximum flavor without making the stock cloudy. Let it simmer uncovered for a minimum of 4 hours, and for an even richer taste, you can go up to 8 hours. Remember, resist the urge to stir, as this can emulsify fats and make your stock opaque. As your stock simmers, you'll notice some foam and impurities rising to the surface, especially during the first hour. Use a ladle or a large spoon to gently skim these off for a clearer stock. After simmering, carefully remove the large chicken bones and vegetables from the pot. Next, place a fine mesh sieve over a large bowl and line it with 2 or 3 layers of cheesecloth. Slowly pour the stock through the sieve to remove all small particles, resulting in a beautifully clear liquid. Discard all the solids, as their flavor contribution is complete. Once your delicious chicken stock is strained, it's crucial to let it cool completely before storing. This prevents bacterial growth and ensures its safety. You can store the cooled stock in airtight containers in your refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer preservation, freeze it in convenient 1-cup or 2-cup portions. It will keep well for up to 6 months in the freezer. Homemade chicken stock is incredibly versatile, serving as an excellent base for countless dishes, including hearty soups, rich sauces, creamy risottos, and flavorful gravies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.